Lesson 22, Left, Right. From this lesson, students recognize directions and places in their homes, classrooms, school, map, and can speak about them. They understand the concepts of place, location, and distance with the help of maps. Of the two hands that we have, one is on the right side and the other is on the left. Most of us use our right hand for eating food. When we stand directly in front of the map, we can see that the east direction is to our right. We can read a map with the help of signs and symbols. We can look to our right, left, front, and back from the place where we are sitting. While drawing the picture of your hands, you must have noticed that the thumb of the right hand is to your left and the thumb of the left hand is to your right. There are four directions: east, west, north, and south. This is a picture with Ruchira in the center. In this picture, draw a book behind Ruchira, an animal on Ruchira's right, a chair on Ruchira's left, a tree in front of Ruchira. Look at this picture. The places and things which Ruchira will find on her way from home to school are as follows. On her right, tree, park, well, post office. On her left, Ruchira's house, building, hand pump, bus stop, hospital, shop, tree, and school. Making signs and symbols on a map is very easy. Understanding them is also quite simple. Therefore, to make the map very easy to read and understand, signs and symbols are used in maps. What is a map? A map is a small drawing representing any part of the earth and its surroundings. A map is drawn to a certain scale. What do symbols, signs mean in a map? Symbols, signs are the special type of pictures used to indicate various details in maps. Such pictures are known as symbols. State the main parts of a map. There are three main parts of a map indicating directions, symbols, and scale. To whom are maps useful? Maps are useful to both geography teachers and students. Besides them, maps are also useful for tourists, sailors, pilots, soldiers, mountaineers, and engineers. Which things are shown on a map? The location of the concerned place, its boundaries, surface, temperature, rainfall, forest, roadways, railways, rivers, seas, oceans, etc. are shown on maps.